Hello and welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming to you from its new time slot of 4 p.m. Central Standard Time every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. About 80% of you that watch my videos are not subscribed. Anyway, let's get into this. Today we have a chicken salad croissant sandwich, which the croissant part did not work out too well. But substitute this croissant for some nice sourdough, and should be good to go. All right. To a bowl, we have 2 pounds of chicken. And on the bottom of the bowl, we have a cup and a quarter of a Granny Smith apple that I peeled and diced up. As you can see here, now I'm going to add about 1/3 of a cup of sour cream. And then we're going to want to add about 1/3 of a cup of mayo. A little bit more is fine. And, of course, adjust this to your own personal tastes. And then we're going to add a cup of diced celery, a teaspoon of dried dill. If you're using fresh dill, up it to 2 teaspoons. And then you want about 6 green onions that have been chopped up. I just eyeballed it. And then, of course, salt and pepper. And then you want to give this a stir around, and you can eat this now once everything is mixed. But I decided to cover it with plastic wrap and leave it in the fridge for about 90 minutes before I served. Up to you. Now we get into the part that damn near ruined the whole video. The fucking croissants. Okay, as you can see here, I basically had to use my hands to kind of rip it open and turn it into like a hot dog thing. The bakery I got these from is normally really good, but the croissants were so fluffy and so light. Even with a bread knife, I couldn't cut them in half without shredding them. And like I said, the thing is barely holding together. Now, this was delicious. I will admit that the butteriness of the croissant really helped. But if I had to do it all over again, just go with a couple pieces of sourdough. Anyway, chicken salad croissant. Done.